What's up, YouTube? I'm Ty.
And I'm Joe.
And we're the Novros. We got this watermelon, and we're going to put these rubber bands around it and make it explode.
So this is how many rubber bands we have. Dump them all out, Ty.
This has to be enough.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
So we're about, I'd say 75 rubber bands in, and there's not even a slight indent, maybe just a teeny tiny bit.
Okay, so the watermelon here, it's got a bulge, but it's not gonna explode anytime soon. And if you can't see, we have to work with these things. Like this couldn't even fit on my thumb. We're gonna go to the store and buy some more and continue later. So we have a crack, our first crack, and everything is wet up here. If you can see the bulge,
It's getting
it's
really
big. It's fat, it's huge. I think we're almost there. We have about maybe 300 rubber bands, and there's a huge
Crack.
X. Like, it's
actually
huge, and it tastes great. And all the juice that was in it is all like on the tart now. This is the heart! Oh my god, pure rubber! Ow! Ah! Oh, look at what's wrong with this one. Ow! Oh, these are fun. Ow!